If we spend some time just actually flicking through the daily charts, you can see the absolute size of the wicks that were formed on Friday and just how deep they went as well. We're currently on the daily, but even if we go to the weekly, you would see just the impact that that sell-off had. Look at this pump chart. Now, really, you only feel the actual impact of these when you look at the weekly, because you'll see things either went to just new historical lows or they went back to prices, not seen for perhaps maybe, months, years, obviously in some aspects. You look at Asta all the way back down towards $1. Mantle just completely. I mean, Mantle has been one of the ones that's had the strongest run up out of the large caps over the past couple of months. But as you can see, Mantle went back to prices, not seen for a good number of weeks after rallying up. If we go back through, you've got ETH here. Let's select the weekly ETH chart again. ETH back to prices from early August. XRP. Now, this is obviously one of the big ones because this went back to basically the price last seen nearly a year ago. November 2024 was the last time that XRP came down towards this level. Solana, same thing, back down to prices from a month or two ago. BNB obviously had a big flush out and is actually recorded new all-time highs at the day of recording this. But if you just flick through, take some time to just flick through, you can actually see the sheer drop. I mean, look at that on Doge, back to prices again a year ago, 10 cents and below. Sui was a mental one, went down to basically towards 50 cents, which again is back towards prices of a year ago or so, maybe even just over a year ago. So yeah, do go and do this, have a look, and just really obviously cement yourself in your mind of just how much of a shakeout / liquidation this event was and what it could mean, obviously moving forwards, given the fact that the lower side of the order book has just been completely wiped out.